have some bananas right here. And right here we have a little bag.
And then we need to look for mummies because
Yep.
and we're lost.
Scavenger hunt.
And we're lost, as you guys can see.
I'm so dead. I can't believe you're actually recording. She's like actually vlogging.
What up, Raleigh? What up, boy?
We came through here, right? We're still trying to find the exit.
We're still trying to find the exit, you guys can see.
Yes. We're lost.
We're entering the edge of the wild.
You're already
How many times have we came through here? The exit is right there. I got scared because I was like, we came through here a bunch of times.
That's a mole deer. That's a mountain lion.
Eating a poor deer.
Oh, we found the
And we
exit.
have found our exit.
Finally.
About time.
10 years later.
Next, we need to go to the mummy thingy mama.
Yes.
Oh wait, I found the upside down thing.
Oh.
Oh, it's right here. This is so cool. I want to get on the bike.
How did you guess? Mummies should be.
In the mummy section.
Oh, it does smell like popcorn. Oh, it does smell like popcorn.
That smells good.
It smells good. You guys want
You don't want it? Oh. Well, later. I'll wait. Look at these kids. Bye, kids. I am paying attention. Look. I know.
Bye, kids.
I know.
Bye.
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 I'm dead. They ignore.
Bye. Oh, okay. We got stuck in the animal place.
Yeah, we got lost.
Yeah, we couldn't find the exit. We were going around and around for like 5 turns.
A lot of
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
So it turns out the mummies are on the 3rd floor this whole time. We were walking in
Second.
circles. Yeah.
We're walking
So-
here for no reason, wasted my time.
We were kind of freaked out in that
Yeah.
animal place.
Lost.
Lost. Couldn't find our exit.
It was kind of.
I just see someone going through Janine's phone and then watching this video. Like, what the fuck are they doing?
Finally.
You want me to leave now?
Markings on the metal foil that covers the incision were her clothing.
They said act like a mummy.
Yes. So we gotta pose like a mummy.
Act like a mummy.
Look at this. Their face changed over the years. I think.
My short ass can't see.
Okay, that was good.
So y'all know what's weird?
Oh, what?
How like
The earth.
She said, hold
Frozen
on.
in time.
Time travel theater. Wow. Psych. It goes scary.
time travel. Oh. Oh, I got scared.
Oh my god.
Ay, wait, that's the una padre. There's just space stuff.
Look. That's
What
cool.
is that?
That's like a baby jellyfish.
Ew.
It looks like it.
Ew.
That's cute.
I like how I say ew.
Little men are like, oh.
What is this?
Just go around this way.
Oh.
Otherwise, you get turned around.
I want to go upstairs.
Oh, guys, look.
Oh, look, it has this, you could touch it. Oh, eat some
What
more.
is that?
There you some more, mommy.
Look.
Right
Ew.
Aren't those cool?
Yeah.
They're fossils. This is a modern animal, a modern clam. This is a cast, and this is the shell of a modern Champignolis. All the rest are original fossils, and they range in age anywhere from about 500 million years old, which is this, to about 350 million, which is that one. So these are all animals that lived long before the first dinosaur, and way before the first human being. So
That's cool.
kind of fun to think about. So they're all marine. They all lived in the ocean. And
Like run out.
I
Imagine
know.
how we're gonna be like. Wait, guys, you guys think the school left us?
No.
Look at me.
They can't.